So this is how you fix the iOS beta notification bug that's going on. And no, you don't change the calendar date, or it's not just delete the profile. Here's what you do. You go through and delete your profile. Then you restart your device, right? After you restart your device, you go to the browser and you're going to go to betaprofiles.com. All right. Then you're going to go to your specific device, iOS, iPad, or iOS for the iPhone, and you download the profile. And you're not downloading the profile that you deleted at first. This is a different profile with the bug fixes, right? So you install that profile, reset your device, follow the prompts. Then after the device restarts, you want to go to software update, and you will see an update there. And you follow through with that update like any other update, and it's gone. Restart the device, everything is gone. My iPhone was doing the same thing. Did the same thing to the iPhone. Now it's gone. So basically, I showed my iPhone with the beta bug. Now you can see that I have an update that you download, and then you install that update, and it's gone. So just follow those instructions, and no more worries. Peace.